animals need food and shelter. Science word pile. Let's learn some important words that we shall study in this chapter. Nest, burrow, web, den, animal food. Just like you and me, animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat grass and leaves, like rabbit, goat, horse. Some animals eat grains, like sparrow, pigeon, hen. Some animals eat insects and worms, ew, like frog, spider, lizard. Some animals eat other animals, kingfisher, tiger, hawk, homes of animals. Animals need homes to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Different animals make different kinds of homes. A bird makes a nest. Have you seen a nest in a tree ever? A spider makes a web. A rabbit makes a burrow. A lion lives in a den. Man lives in a home too. Things to remember. Here are some important things we learned in the lesson. First, some animals eat grass and leaves. Second, some animals eat grains. Third, some animals eat other animals. Fourth, some animals eat insects and worms. Fifth, different animals make different kinds of homes.